Hey guys, it's your boy J Honey with the money, and today we're here with day 2 of Storm using the City Kitty. And let's go inside, see what it looks like, see if you use it. Oh, you used it. That's my baby Storm. Oh y'all, she learned fast. Yep. Last night I in here playing with the litter, but of course I couldn't come in here and watch her, or come in here at all. She just seen me or heard me and ran. So you gotta let her, do her business by herself. You see, she got a little bit of stuff on my tub. I don't know why she got over there, but it was some stuff on the toilet, but I had to use the bathroom earlier. So yeah, I had to clean it off. But yeah, it wasn't a big mess on here. So she actually did real good than other people I seen. So I actually seen other people on YouTube doing the City Kitty, and I guess Storm is the fastest cat I ever seen use the bathroom that fast. I guess it was because me moving her bathroom so much in the house. I guess she just knew, like, well, this is the litter. This is what I need to use the bathroom at. So, and she ain't had no problem either. But yeah, she learned pretty fast, and you can see it's a little bit of cat litter back there, back there. But it was like a stain here, a stain there, a little bit of litter right there. I had to clean up, had it off because I had to use the bathroom. But yeah, she used it. So since she's moving so fast, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting. I wasn't gonna start cutting until actually next week. Just give her a week about try, see if she's gonna use the bathroom. I was really hoping she didn't use the bathroom in my house on the floor and somewhere. It hurt, but she used it. I'm proud of her. So I'm gonna go to the store, go get her some snacks and stuff. So I got my mask on. Had her go to the store, go to the market, got some stuff. But yeah, very minor from what I've seen on YouTube with other little cats. So yeah, Storm's pretty smart. She moves real fast. So I'm gonna start cutting today, and yeah. So I'm gonna. Scoop the poop out and get it on the area so I can cut the first small insert. Alright, so as you can see, I use my blade and cut a small hole right there. Went real hard, just push it straight in, cut it. I already got slits, so it won't take too much power or strength to get it down. But even though she moved pretty fast, like the end results is still what we want. We still want her to use the bathroom out, knowing the litter is there. So I'm proud of her for moving real fast. We hope she gets the whole results. And the reason why we really doing this. But yeah, I'm gonna catch on day 3. See if she keep up using the bathroom, and I'll probably start cutting again. Probably give it 2 days and start cutting again. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.